Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Huawei P30 Pro to an Android device. Start by going into Play Store on an Android and App Gallery or Play Store on Huawei. Then click on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. After that, download this free app from this developer and open it. Then select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. After that, click on Receive on Huawei and Receive over here on an Android. Then you need to tap on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your data. It will take some time though, so I will only click on this one photo, choose Send and tap Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key 316078 and to tap on Receive, or just scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon over here, choose while using the app or only this time, and point your Android's camera at the code. Now we have to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to check it out for sure, you can always go into, for example, My Files app or any Files app, go into Images and tap on Send Anywhere folder. As you can see, my photo is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!